Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Okay, well, we always start off with a box. All right, I got a little story time with this, with what's in here. So if you guys want to know what shoe it is, because y'all know it's a shoe. If you guys want to know what shoe it is, how I got it, when I got it, and all that fun-filled stuff, stay tuned. Okay, I'm not going to waste time like I normally do, but anyway, I happened to be watching Mike Rich's video, and he was in Snipes in Atlanta, and he found this exact shoe in Snipes, and I was like, I think I was like losing my mind running around the internet looking for this particular shoe. There was no dates. I got nothing. I couldn't even find it. And then the Nike app blessed me. First with the low, then they dropped the high, and I went for the low. I did not get the low, but instead we have the black Air Jordan box with Air Jordan imprinted on the corner. We got the wings. So we're going to read what's on the label. These are called the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Craft. The colorway is white, neutral gray dash phantom. This is a men's 7.5. Of course, I wear women's 9, men's 7.5. Here is the box. Box has, you know, regular white paper. So I'm going to go ahead and do all the fun stuff. And there it is. These are the Jordan 1 Mid Crafts. Or Inside Out. I've actually seen two different names. And you know what? I'm going to need Nike and Jordan to get it together with these names. Give me one name. I've seen multiple names for multiple shoes that I own. Crafts, Inside Outs. I saw this being called the Inside Out online and on the box, and on Nike's site it was called the Crafts. Here's the shoes right here, head on, so you can see it right here. Here's the inside of them. Make sure you can see all of that. Here's the backs, and here are the outsides of them right here. All right, we're gonna go left shoe, because you know we lefties in this mug. I am a lefty and I'm gonna go true lefty style. So all right, here's the shoe right here here's one of the shoes by itself, and you're gonna see this shoe has a lot of different materials. Oh. My microphone fell, sorry y'all. Anyway, as you can see, this shoe has a lot of different materials. You're going to see the suede on, well, is this a suede? Yep, it's like a hairy suede on the toe cap and around the laces. And also on the back of the shoe near the wings. This is all a suede. This is leather around the toe up front. Around the swoosh is a canvas. The actual swoosh looks like a nylon around the swoosh. I'm gonna get in real close so you can see that. The top here is a leather. Around here is, you have the exposed foam underneath right there on the top. This also looks like a canvas too around this way. On the tongue, you got the Air Jordan in gray stitched in. The Phantom gray is going to be all the gray hits. What's the other colorway? Got to pull this box real quick. What was this? White, neutral gray, and Phantom. Okay, so I'm going to say this is the neutral gray right here. I am bumping my microphone. There we go. Neutral gray is going to be all these brown hits. The Phantom gray is going to be the darker gray, and then the white is all the rest of the shoe. On the sole is going to be the, looks like the Phantom gray right here. On the inside, it also comes with a pair of gray laces. I was about to say white. These are gray laces right here. You have the, looks like, I'm guessing this is not sail. These are more of a beige lace. On the inside of the shoe, it's orange with the white Jumpman on there. Let me turn them around so you can see right here. There you go. Right there with that size 7.5 men's on the inside. Like I said, I was watching Mike Rich and he was doing a mall vlog, I think. And he saw these at Snipes in Atlanta, picked them up. He ended up taking them back because he felt that they were more of an impulse purchase. For me, they were not an impulse purchase. They were their shoe. When I saw it, I like instantly went gaga over. They also have them in a low. I was not able to get the low when these dropped, but I was able to get the mid, which I was like, okay, y'all got to give me something. If I can't get the low, give me the mid. And I was able to get the mid. Thank goodness. We're getting a lot of Jordan 1 lows coming out recently. They've come out recently and are still coming out. I'm liking the lows. I own a pair of 2 pair of Jordan 1 lows and a pair of Jordan 11 lows. Those are the ones that I have. I think I may beef up my ones collection. We'll see. Don't quote me because I need to slow down. We got the holidays coming like sooner than you know. So let's get to the fashion so you guys can see how I styled these shoes, because man, they're neutral, so I can do so many things with this. So yeah, let's get to the fashions. All right, for the first outfit to go with the inside out Jordan 1s, I went with a full like sweatsuit outfit with wide leg pants from H&M. The bag, this is the Nomad bag from Coach. I wanted to keep it nice and creamy and pastel-y with this because the shoe is a very light shoe. And, you know, put on a nice light outfit. Well, light colored outfit, but, you know. But anyway, but yeah, this is the outfit the first outfit that I chose. So let's get on the floor so you guys can see the shoe up close so you can see the different textures on the shoe. All right, here is the shoe against the pant. Let me pull my pants leg up because you can't really see the shoe because the pants kind of cover the shoe. But this is the shoe up close, and you see all the gray hits are all in like a suede, like a nubuck. All the light brown hits are also in a nubuck. Everything else is like a leather along with the swoosh. But yeah, this is the shoe. I opted to change the laces. I went with the gray lace on the left and the sail or creamy color lace on the right. Sometimes I like to do a switch up with the lace. I actually kind of like the gray laces better, so I may end up switching the right shoe to the gray lace, but I kind of like this situation I'm doing right here. So here is the shoe, a like 360 of the shoe. Here's the outside of the shoe right here where you can see the little orange tags right there on the swoosh. Kind of gives me the Off-White vibes, you know, when Off-White, they do their little logos and stuff. On the back, you have the wings on the back of the shoe in white. And here's the inside of the shoe. I'm gonna show that on the left. So you can see there's no orange pieces on the inside swoosh. On the front, you can see the tongue with the gray Jumpman and Air. And yeah, so this is the shoe up close. Okay, and for this outfit, I went a little bit more kind of work appropriate. So the blazer is from Target. Sleeveless turtleneck sweater is from the Gap. Jeans are from Target. Bag is the Rebecca Minkoff MAB bag. Nice work tote. She does not make this bag anymore, and it's really sad because I really like this bag. And it's like I said, it's a great work tote. You can kind of run it through its ringers, but we ain't gonna get into that. And of course, the shoe is the Jordan 1 High Crafts. Yeah, I kept it really neutral with the color scheme and the outfit. And you know, this is something like if you're gonna go into work, or you know, just mainly like a nice little work outfit, you know, because unfortunately some of us have been returning to office we're not gonna get into that anyway. So, but yeah, I like the shoe. I really like the shoe. I love the color blocking on the shoe. I love the colorway. And you could do a lot. You don't have to do browns. You can do grays. You can do whites. You can do just about anything because it's such a light colored shoe. So let's get it down on the floor one more time. Let's look at the shoe up close again, and then we're going to go back to past me and finish the video. All right, and here's the shoe one more time up close so you can see all the different materials used on the shoe. Like I said, you can do this shoe with just about anything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I opted to dress it down both times because just I didn't feel like looking for a dress that worked for it. But yeah, I love this shoe, the way it looks, the color blocking, the colorway. I love the whole thing on it. This shoe is very comfortable. Also, something I didn't show earlier, you can see the inside foam on the shoe, on the tops of the shoes, just like how the Comfort Jordans are. But this is not a Comfort Jordan. It doesn't have as much padding in the shoe, but it does have some comfort to it. It's just not as comforty as the normal Comfort zones. So. Okay, I hope you guys liked all the fashions that I put together for these shoes. I know I need to spray these soon as I get done filming and right before I go eat, because yes, I'm filming on my lunchtime. I have I have like 36 minutes left. So let's look at the shoe one more time. Here's the left shoe right here. One more time. You guys can see all of the beautiful colors of this shoe. Let's see, white, neutral, gray, and phantom. I keep forgetting that part. Majority of the shoe is in white. The neutral gray are going to be the brown hits, the brownish looking hits, kind of a taupey color. The phantom gray is going to be the darker gray that's along the top half of the laces, on the back with the wings in white. And we have the, like, I guess you can say like a dark sail shoelace, and they also come with a gray shoelace right here. You know me, I may kind of flip it up and put gray on one side and keep this one on the other. Don't know. At the top you have the exposed foam. At the top on the inside is orange. Let me move the knot. The top is going to be orange with the white Jumpman on the inside. With the exposed foam, they give me the Comfort Jordan vibes. So I don't know. As of right now, I don't know, but I'm feeling some padding in here. So we're going to find out. You guys, I probably already told you all if they're super comfortable. Jordans are comfortable for me anyway, but we shall see how comfortable these are. But that's it for this video. I'm going to get out of here. And like I said, I need to go eat. I have soup, of course, for lunch, because y'all know I ain't trying to cook for lunch. I cook for dinner. I don't cook for lunch. I really just don't have time. Anyway, so if you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free to everyone, including myself. And if you guys want to read some things, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net. And I talk about everything from sneakers, handbags, home decor, marketing, because it started as a marketing blog. Also music, all sorts of things, whatever's on my mind at the moment. So go on over there, take a look, see what I'm talking about. That's about it. I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, I'm going to eat. I have 33 minutes, well, a little more than 34 minutes left to go. So I'm going to get out of here. Love, peace, hair products, shoes, and all that fun stuff. Bye.